Hey there, quick note before we dive in. What you're watching right now is a lesson from one of my courses that I've decided to release completely for free here on YouTube so you don't have to pay a dime. So instead of asking you to buy my course, if you want to show your appreciation, here's a couple of things that you can do. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. These small actions tell YouTube to share my content with more people, which is a huge help. Also, feel free to check out my recommended equipment links in the description below. If you do purchase equipment from these links, I do get a small commission at no extra cost to you whatsoever. Or if you want to, you can leave me a super thanks or even just hit play on one of my playlists. I know it sounds silly, but if you just hit play on one of my playlists and let it play in the background, even if you're not paying attention, it tells YouTube, hey, people are watching these videos. I'm going to push it out to more people. So even if you just want to do that, I would love it. I would appreciate it so much. And then lastly, if you're looking for more personalized help, I do offer private coaching that you can find in the description of this video. Either way, I really appreciate you, whether you choose to do one of these things or not. Just by simply watching this video, it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Now, let's get to the lesson. All right, so here we are in Audition. I've got some audio that I pulled from one of my previous videos from the free course that I have on my website. And if you look over here, you see this preset here that I have called A YouTube. If you have no idea what that is, if you don't know what any of this is, make sure you go watch the effects stack section of this course so that you understand what all this is, because I'm not going to explain all of this here in this tutorial. So make sure you go watch that. But okay, we have our audio, and let's listen to what this audio sounds like before we do anything at all to it. Here we go. Hey there, I'm James Younger, and welcome to your free course. This course is designed to help you get a jump start when it comes to the audio side of things within content creation. So whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, live streamer, so you get it. Okay, you know, it's pretty flat audio, which is good. That's what I like personally. But what I want you to really focus on is listen to the audio. I'm only going to play a little bit of it, but listen to the audio this time and really think about how it sounds to you. Think about how it sounds really inside, you know, in your head as you're listening to it. Just really think like how do you feel about this audio? Does it sound pleasing? Is it easy to listen to? Is there anything you don't like about it? Is there anything that you do like about it? Just one more time. Here we go. Hey there, I'm James Younger, and welcome to your free course. This course is designed to help you get a jump start when it comes to the audio side of things within content creation. All right, I made you do that, or I wanted you to do that, because I'm going to bring it back up here in a little bit once we get into this tutorial. All right, so first things first, you know, how do you make your audio pop with EQ? Well, EQ is definitely the most essential part of this, but there's other things that I'm going to use as well. So let's start with EQ. Pull this bad boy up. I'm going to turn this on. And again, if you watch the effects stack tutorial or lesson in this course, these notches here will make sense to you. I'm going to go ahead and just turn this low pass filter off. But anyway, once you go watch that section, you'll understand what all this is. So I'm not going to go into it right now. But okay, what is the first thing that we need to do? Well, as I always do, I have a low pass filter here, or I'm sorry, a high pass filter here, and I have these notches. This is just to get out a little bit of boxiness. This is just to take a little bass out of the audio. I'll probably actually take this off. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to around 3,000 hertz, okay? Because human hearing is the most sensitive between 1K and 5K. Everything in between there is where we hear the most sensitive, or it's where our hearing is the most sensitive. So, all right, let me split the difference and just go to like 3,000. Okay, right? So here we are. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to play this audio, and I'm going to give a bit of a boost here in this range, because this is something a lot of audio engineers will do if they want your voice to sit on top of a mix where there's like music and stuff playing. Because again, this is around where humans are the most sensitive to hearing. So if you boost this, it's going to brighten things up. So here, let's go ahead and do this. Hey there, I'm James Younger, and welcome to your free course. This course is designed to help you get a jump start when it comes to the audio side of things within content creation. So whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster. Okay, so I've boosted it by about 4.5 dB. That's pretty significant boost there. And let's just turn this on and off and hear the difference. Hey there, I'm James Younger, and welcome to your free course. This course is designed to help you get a jump start when it comes to the audio side of things within content creation. So whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, live streamer, or any other type of content creator. So you can hear how obviously there's a lot more high end or presence, if you will, or sizzle, however you want to describe this in the audio just from making that one boost. Okay, cool. That's the first boost I would make. The second one I would make is going to about 12K. So let's go ahead and do just that. And then I'm going to go ahead and give it a boost. And I'm going to make that a little, I don't want it to cover too much like that. I'm going to dip it a little bit like that. I'm going to just bring that up. And not so much, actually. I don't want to bring it up too much. So let me just go ahead and do it to like around the same as this one. And let's give this a listen. So here we go. Hey there, I'm James Younger, and welcome to your free course. This course is designed to help you get a jump start when it comes to the audio side of things within content creation. So whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, live streamer, or any other type of content creator, you're in the right place. You've probably heard it said by the great... Okay, things are getting a lot brighter, all right? But in my opinion, to my ears, this doesn't sound so great, right? I mean, I've already kind of covered that in the previous video leading into this tutorial. But, okay, what can we do? Well, I've taken the bass out around here because, again, if you watch the effects stack portion of this course, you'll understand why I do this here. But I'm actually going to turn it off. I'm going to let a little bit of that bass come back into the audio because I think it's going to kind of balance a little bit of this high-end stuff. That's one thing that you can do with EQ. Let's listen to this now. Hey there, I'm James Younger, and welcome to your free course. This course is designed to help you get a jump start when it comes to the audio side of things within content creation. So whether you're a YouTuber... Okay, I personally think, to my ears, putting that bass back in helped kind of balance things out a little bit rather than it sounding too thin and harsh because, you take the bass out for reasons that I covered in that other lesson, but adding all of this really makes things kind of thin if you're taking the bass out. So you want to balance things out. You want to balance the frequencies as you would. And I'm still going to keep the boxiness out of the audio a little bit right here. But okay, that's EQ. Cool. We've added some stuff. But what can we do next? Well, believe it or not, compression. So if you haven't watched the compression section in this course, I highly recommend going to do that. I'm not going to explain too much here. With compression, though, you can really make your audio sound bigger and fuller because you're basically squashing dynamics and then bringing them all up together. That's what I'm going to do with compression here. I am looking at, okay, right now my threshold's at -12. And if I look over here at -12, I do see things going above -12. Like that's going above, that's going above, that's going above, that's going above, blah, blah, blah. You get the idea. So I'm going to squash those dynamics down a bit. And I'm going to leave this at -12, ratio at 3, attack all the way down to 0, release about 100. And I mean, you could even do a little bit of makeup gain if you wanted to. Let's just go about 2 dB. And now let's give this a listen with the EQ as well. So here we go. And I'm going to just turn both of them on and off as we go. Hey there, I'm James Younger, and welcome to your free course. This course is designed to help you get a jump start when it comes to the audio side of things within content creation. So whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, live streamer, or any other type of content creator, you're in the right place. You've probably heard it said by the great George Lucas that audio or sound is 50%. So you can hear how things are coming together. The audio is really popping. The only thing I would say, which it's probably pretty obvious to you, the S's and the T's and the ch sounds and things like that are getting really harsh, really difficult to listen to. But we'll deal with that at the end. But before we deal with that, I want to add a little bit of secret sauce, if you will, okay? So this is a little secret sauce that you can add to your audio to make things stand out and a little more bright or sizzle or whatever you want to call it. This is a tube saturator or just a saturator. And again, very easy explanation, incredibly simplistic explanation. It's like adding higher frequencies. It's making your audio sound fuller and brighter, and that's pretty much what a saturator does. And there are free saturators out there. I can't remember what the main one that I used to use and I see people use. I cannot remember the name of it for the life of me right now. But this is the one from Waves, and it's called Magma BB Tube Saturator. And this is the one that I like to use. Every engineer is going to have one that they like, one that they want to go to and that they use. Whatever works for you, it doesn't really matter. Just find a saturator, whether it's this one or whatever. There's a bunch out there. All right, so I'm going to now take this and continue adding to my audio to see what I can come up with. Okay, so here we go. Let's just play it and just mess around. I mean, that's what a lot of audio is, just playing and messing around. Doesn't matter if you don't know what something does. Play with it. Figure out what it does. Learn it, because that's the fun part, in my opinion. So here we go. Hey there, I'm James Younger, and welcome to your free course. This course is designed to help you get a jump start when it comes to the audio side of things within content creation. So, whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, live streamer, or any other type of content creator, you're in the right place. You've probably heard it said by the great George Lucas. Okay, so I've just added a couple of things here. Let's go back to one. And now I will say this bass relief here is just to make sure your bass doesn't get too tubby or boomy. And you know, I'm hearing my bass get a little boomy, a little tubby here. So I'm going to actually just add this to taste and see what I think. So here we go. Hey there, I'm James Younger, and welcome to your free course. This course is designed to help you get a jump start when it comes to the audio side of things within content creation. Okay. I feel pretty good about that. Audio is all about listening. Yes, visually, things can help you by looking at things, you know, and seeing where things are on the frequency spectrum, things like that. Visuals can help, but you really don't want to rely on visuals. You want to rely on your ear. So that's what I was doing here, just trying to listen. Okay, I feel good about that. It's kind of helping control the bass a bit. One last thing that I really like to do is go over here to the tone shaper and add just a bit of tone to really give me that brightness if this is what I'm indeed going for. So here we go. Hey there, I'm James Younger, and welcome to your free course. This course is designed to help you get a jump start when it comes to the audio side of things. Okay, things are incredibly bright, like insanely bright. And I might even be going a little overboard on this tutorial, but I'm really trying to show you guys, like, okay, if you want to brighten up your audio, you can do things like this. I'm really trying to give you a good example here. So, all right, let's call that good for the time being, but let's do a thing here, right? Now, remember in the very beginning of the video when I said, listen to this audio and think about how you feel about it. How does it sound? Does it sound, do you like things about it? Do you not like things about it? Does it sound, what does it sound like to you? Here's the reason I did that. This is called the A/B effect. Because we've added so much stuff here, I'm going to turn this on and off, and I want you to check out the difference. Listen to this, okay? I'm going to turn everything we've been doing off and on as we go. So I'm going to leave it on and then turn it off. You'll see. Hey there, I'm James Younger, and welcome to your free course. This course is designed to help you get a jump start when it comes to the audio side of things within content creation. So whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, live streamer, or any other type of content creator, you're in the right place. You've probably heard it said, but it likely sounded to you like when I turn this off, oh man, that audio sounds so flat and muffled and gross. That's called the A/B effect. It actually likely sounded just fine to you at the beginning of this tutorial. It sounded like, you know what, that's not bad. That's a great place to start. Matter of fact, a lot of you might have thought, that audio sounds good to go. We're good. But now that you hear it in context, after I turn things on and off, you're probably like, oh, that audio sounds awful. That's really flat sounding. But really it doesn't. It's just because you've heard this overly bright audio, you know, for a while. And that's what happens, the A/B effect. So I wanted to make that clear. But as I listen to this audio, I'm just like, man, it's just too harsh. It's just too bright. And normally I would use a de-esser to try and bring some of that down. But as a matter of fact, before we use the de-esser, let me just back some of that stuff off that we've done because it is quite harsh, man. All right, so here we go. Hey there, I'm James Younger, and welcome to your free course. This course is designed to help you get a jump start when it comes to the audio side of things within content creation. So whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, live streamer, or any other type of content creator, you're in the right place. You've probably heard it said by the great George Lucas that audio or sound is 50% of the movie, and while this is 100% true, I'd actually argue it's even more important when it comes to the type of content that we make as content creators. Hey there, I'm James Young. Okay. Now, obviously, to my ears, in my opinion, this is still too bright, but I'm trying to show a tutorial on how to make your audio pop and how to make it bright, so I'm going to let it be. I'm going to let it be what it is for now. And again, let's just do an A/B really quick. Hey there, I'm James Younger, and welcome to your free course. This course is designed to help you get a jump start when it comes to the audio side of things within. Okay, well, now let's go ahead and take care of the extreme S's that's occurring because of how bright we've made the audio. So let's go ahead and do that now. Hey there, I'm James Younger, and welcome to your free course. This course is designed to help. Okay, I'm going to start there. So, course. This course is designed. You hear this course, you hear those, this course is designed. That's what you're really trying to pick up on, that sound. All right, so here we go. Welcome to your free course. This course is designed to. All right, so I'm just going to take this one and I'm going to highlight it. If you have not watched the sibilance section in this course, make sure to go watch this so that you understand what I'm doing here as well. All right, so go watch that section inside this course. So here we go. Okay, cool. All right, we're almost on it. Almost right there. So you see how it's taking care of that sound? It's just pushing it down a bit. Let's see how that sounds. Hey there, I'm James Younger, and welcome to your free course. This course is designed to help you get a jump. All right, so listen to this. This course is designed to help, and listen to it now. This course is designed to help. Let me go ahead and just do this. This course is designed to help you. This course is designed to help you. This course is designed to help. It might be really subtle to some of you out there, but that's what you're wanting. You don't want it to be like, okay, you don't want it to do this. You don't want it to be like this. This is not what you want. This course is designed to help you. You see how that's just taking way too much high end out of the audio, and it's not a good sound, right? And obviously that's extreme, but you want it to just lightly take those S's away. And you know what? In some cases, like, I might even want to add another de-esser on there just for the heck of it, right? I might want to go, okay, let's just go back to like 5. That's a good range for 4 to 10 is where sibilance lives. So 4 to 10. So I'm going to leave it at 4 and it can get the rest. And now let's give it a go. Hey there, I'm James Younger and welcome to your free course. This course is designed to help you get a jump start when it comes to the audio side of things within content creation. So whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, live streamer, or any other type of content. So, I mean, that's pretty much it. You know, we've done the EQ, we've done the de-esser, we've done another de-esser if you want. We've done the compression, we've done the saturation, right? And then you could go from there and do the rest of your, you know, processing, right? If I wanted to add a little bit of de-reverb on there because I still need to put up those acoustic panels, I need to finish building them and put them up. You could go in with a notch filter if you really wanted to get precise about de-essing or whatever. I would do mouth declick to get rid of my mouth noise. I might do some noise reduction because maybe I'm adding a lot more sound, a lot more noise into my audio by doing compression and EQ and things like that. You know, and then maybe add a limiter at the end, but not really go crazy with the input boost necessarily. So I'd maybe go here so that it doesn't clip at -1. That's where it stops. I mean, you know, you could go ahead and do the rest of your stuff. Let's just see how that sounds. Hey there, I'm James Younger and welcome to your free course. This course is designed to help you get a jump start when it comes to the audio side of things within content creation. So whether you're a YouTuber, podcaster, live streamer, or any other type of content creator, you're in the right place. You've probably heard it said by the great George Lucas that audio or sound is 50% of the movie, and while this is 100% true, I'd actually argue it's even, you know, so again, just want to go ahead and say, this is the last time, you're probably sick of hearing me say it, I think that's too bright. Even with the de-essing, I think it can get fatiguing. I'm already noticing it. I'm wearing headphones while I'm recording this tutorial and everything is just blasting straight into my ears. It's just a bit fatiguing to my ears. But again, if you want to do this, if this is something you're into, if you have a specific video where you want to make the audio pop, you know, if it's shorter content, if it's a video that's only a couple minutes, maybe like 2 to 5 minutes, I think it's pushing it when it's 5 minutes. But if it's like 2 to 3 minutes long and you want it to be a little brighter, fine. You know, that may not be that long of a video, so it doesn't really hurt people. But if it's long form content, you know, but if it's long form content like a podcast or, you know, an instructional video or something like that, or an audiobook even, you know, you don't want it to be incredibly bright. You want the audio to be more warm on the darker side. It's easy to listen to. It's easy to digest. It doesn't hurt the listener's ears. Anyway, that's how to really achieve this. You can do it with all different kinds of EQs if you want. You can do different saturators, different compressors. They all are basically doing the same thing. You know, an EQ is an EQ, a compressor is a compressor, and so on, especially when it comes to this type of application. We're not getting crazy. We're not going and doing advanced techniques here. So pretty simple. Anyway, go forth. If you want to make your audio brighter, try to do your best to make sure it doesn't hurt the listener's ears. And I hope you enjoyed this. See you in the next video.